Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Raker. Right now we're going to talk about using scale factor to find missing parts of something. In class we did it as tape diagrams, which is a really good way to do it. And since it's on your quiz, that scale factor quiz number 2, I want to make sure that you saw it. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you a little scenario here. Let's say that, and we did on maps, so maps have scales on them. So let's say that on a map, 2 centimeters on the map is 10 miles in real life. Well, how far would, if 2 cities were 5 centimeters apart, how far would that be in actual miles? So what we want to do here is draw on a tape diagram. Kind of start like this. It's like 2 roads. One road is the centimeters, and the other road is the miles. Now, at the start of the road, of course, 0 centimeters would equal 0 miles. Sorry, let me move that over a little bit. There we go. 0 centimeters would equal 0 miles. We know that at 2 centimeters, that will be 10 miles. What about 1 centimeter? You're going to learn about unit rate here in the next unit. That's proportional relationships. But, you know, if 2 centimeters is 10 miles, what is 1 centimeter? Well, you got to think. Half of 2 is 1. So you do the same thing here. Half of 10 would be 5. So every little centimeter is 5 miles. So I can draw this out here. So 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, 0 to 5, 5 to 10. So the next should be 3, and then 5 more would be 15. 4 centimeters will be 20 miles, and 5 centimeters will be 25 miles. So this one, 5 centimeters is equal to 25 miles. So drawing a tape diagram just kind of helps us look at it a little bit better, a little bit, give us a visual of what we're talking about. Now, the second one I'm going to show you is, well, what happens if you have like a fraction? It's pretty much the same thing. Let's erase this off here. Alright, so let's say that on this one, 1/2 centimeter is equal to 20 miles. Okay, and how far is, again, let's do 6 centimeters. Okay, now, again, let's take this here. Let's say draw the roads here. And then, of course, centimeters is here. And miles would be here. 0 centimeters is 0 miles. Now, half a centimeter, we know it's 6 miles. But if we know half a centimeter is 6 miles, how far is 1 mile? I'll give you a second to think about that. Well, okay, now, if I go a half, and it's a half a centimeter, it's 6 miles, then 1 centimeter would be 12 miles. Now, you can increase by halves every time, so like 1.5, then 2, 2.5, and 3. You say, okay, well, if I know that 1 centimeter is 12 miles, then I can say that 2 centimeters is what? Another 12. 24. And if I think of halves, all right, so if this were half, 6, 12, 18, 24, so that's correct. So you can just keep drawing this out. 3, 4, 5, 6, and just increase 12 every time on this side. As this increases by 1, this increases by 12. 36, 48, 60, 72. So 6 centimeters would be 72 miles. So that's how we use a scale factor to convert from one measurement to the other. So good luck, and don't forget about your quiz. This is a good part of it, and I'll talk to you soon.